All right, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be adding the transmission to the engine, and if that goes all too well, then I will likely be placing the engine in the vehicle. So if you guys are enjoying this process, also shout out to Tommy Farrell. I won the giveaway so for the box, but he's giving away another one and a dope Civic. Oh, you might have a little bit of time. No, it will be over when this goes out. So yeah, he's giving away that Civic. The Civic's awesome. I got to meet him 2 days ago, or yesterday actually. But yeah, so transmission is going on to the engine, and we're going to be installing it into here. So yeah. All right, so I just took off the engine stand, and right now I'm removing the bolts that go to the engine stand, and I'm gonna have to do the rear main seal and the take out the throw out or the pilot bearing. So yeah, right now I'm just taking those out. I don't have a 19mm socket, or if I did, I don't know where it is. So right now I'm just using a wrench. Come on. All right, I'm gonna do this off camera. All right, so I just got the I'm doing this rear main seal, and I have it sitting like this. So I don't have anywhere to put it because I can't do the rear main when it's on the engine stand. But I crushed this with, I guess, with a bolt, but I'm not too worried about it. I can just push it back out. It's just a pin, I think. But right now I'm going to take off these to get this off and then put the new rear main on. I don't think this is part of it. Is it? It's not focused on the right thing. I don't know if it's part of it. I thought it was just 10 mils, but I guess not. So, and then I gotta take out. Oh, there's nothing in here. Sick. Alright, so I got the new rear main in. This pin just fell out. So, that's fine though. I don't think the flywheel is not going to be clocked or whatever, so it's not going to matter. I thought there would be like a bearing over here, but I guess not. So I'll probably just have to install the new one right now. And yeah. All right, so I just inserted this and just been slowly tapping it in with a socket and wait till it gets further in. And then I'm going to be installing the flywheel and then clutch. All right, now I have the, what is it? Clutch Max flywheel. So if you guys are OGs, you would know that in my E46, I actually installed the clutch on backwards. So today I'm going to not do that. So, yeah. All right, so I got the flywheel seated, and now, so I just put the bolts on without thread lock, and now I'm going to put them on with thread lock, just so they can stay in there better, and don't have to worry about them rattling out. So I'm using blue thread lock. Never use red for something like this. All right, so I just cleaned and torqued down these bolts. It's 100 foot-pounds, or 100 Newton meters, sorry. And that's from cleaning the friction surface. Right now I'm going to be, so yeah, so this is cool because it's labeled flywheel side, so you can't put it on backwards. All right, so I'm in a little bit of dilemma. I was about to put the clutch and flywheel on, but I don't have pressure plate bolts, so I need to order those. But yeah, so to wrap this up, I'm going to cover that with piece like that plastic and put that over it, just so it doesn't get anything on it. But yeah, I guess I stop here for today. Gotta order some pressure plate bolts, which kind of sucks, but I guess I can put the engine in the car like this. Just can't put in the transmission, but we'll see. We'll see what ends up happening. All right, so that's kind of how it's going to be tucked away tonight. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, I have something in there right now. Let me just put this through here, I guess. And I gotta bring in the engine stand. Other than that, I was hoping to have the transmission on today. Just ordered those bolts. Those bolts should be in here by Wednesday. Today is Sunday. So, yeah. I don't know how long this video is. So we're probably gonna have some things after this. But, yeah. It's going to be... So yeah, this is just all temporary placement until I get those pressure plate bolts, because this was an automatic vehicle, so I don't have pressure plate bolts. So until I get those pressure plate bolts, we're just kind of in limbo. So can't really do much, but I might have to organize while I'm waiting for those bolts, because I do have a lot of things in here and not everything has to be in here. Like all my tools are everywhere and this box is empty. So I need to fill it up. All right guys, so I'm just throwing this in. I've been working, don't really want to make an intro, but right now we're connecting the transmission to the engine. Added the pressure plate, it's like 25 foot-pounds or something. And that's the manual. And I did the stainless steel pivot pin and new spring on the, yeah, this is the old one. I did this is a nylon or whatever. And then stainless, and then the stainless steel, and then the clip for that. As you can see, it's a little dark and it's very dirty, but I want to get this car over driving, so I don't really care about cleanliness right now. Just trying to bang this out. It's like 7 o'clock at night, so that is going to go onto that, guys. So we have some of these going in. This is what we used for the engine mount, and it's helping us put these bolts in. So yeah, so right now we have these two in and this one in. But, I could probably put this one in now. This is a 19. But, yeah, slowly but surely. It was kind of annoying to put on, but this isn't on the splines yet, which I'm very surprised about. Or, it is, right? Because it's in gear? Mm-hmm. Okay. I wasn't sure about that. But, yeah, so I'm going to impact this off and put the regular one on. I don't want to have it on camera just because it's going to be really loud. All right, guys, so we just got the engine or the transmission mounted to the engine. We don't have the bottom transmission bolts in, but we have the top ones on, and we could just put the bottom ones when the transmission's in the vehicle. And right now we're going to jack it up. The goal is to not open the garage door because it is 30 degrees outside. And snowing. So if we can, we're gonna try to just jack it up all the way and then swing it over with it jacked up all the way, and we can just slide it into there and install it like that. Have to do a couple things while it's out still, and just this fuel line, and that's about it really. And there's a intake vacuum line over there, and that's it. So just gonna connect that fuel line and I'll show you guys. All right, guys, so we have it mostly in. Right now we are readjusting the engine stand or the engine hoist because it's like hitting stuff up there. So right now Jairus is doing that. I have the jack down here and jacking and moving things down here. So it's basically in. We're about say 6 inches maybe. Not even, but yeah, this has to fall into place, and then this is going to go into here or something. I think this This goes like this, I'm pretty sure. That snaps into there. But hope to just bolt in the engine today. Engine and trans. If we can get all that bolted in, then I can come back here tomorrow and pretty much have this thing done. So that looks like it's broken.
That doesn't really change anything.
What?
You put it back.
Oh, really?
I feel like the chain is just too long.
The chain's too long?
I mean, if I pull it back, then the chain is not going to
Okay, so we're gonna get back to this. All right, guys. So we just got the transmission on completely with all the bolts in, or the majority of them. But yeah, I'm not running all the bolts. But right now we're putting in the Condor engine mount. See right there where it's gonna go. Yeah, this whole thing has to move a lot, but right now we're just gonna line it up, and then we're gonna put this side in first, and we'll get the other side in, because this side is a lot easier than the other side. All right, so I'm recording this on my phone. The light died, dropped it, and it didn't break, but it just doesn't work now. Also, but we're just putting things together. Like, we just put these connectors on. So these are all connected. That's the O2 sensors. We're pulling them back this way. These are your automatic transmission stuff. That one and that one. And these are your, wait. Yeah, these, I'm pretty sure these go here somewhere. Yeah, these connect here somewhere, I don't know. I forget. I forgore. But yeah, this is a clip back here for this. Yeah, I didn't finish this mount. We got the bottom bolt in, or the bottom nut in, but my back is just too cold from laying on the floor. So I'm just giving myself a break. Yeah, we got the bottom nut in though. This is for the fan, I believe. Pull this way. Oh, this is gonna get removed. Oh, this is broken too. What the hell? Dude, what did this break off of? Oh, it goes right here. This one. Yeah, that's getting removed anyway, so we're not running AC. But wait, does this go to the fan? I think. Or is it one of these? This one goes to the fan, I think. Yeah, this one. This is like your lights and stuff. What do you?
ground.
Oh. Yeah, this video's all over the place. So yeah, so there's a ground strap from your engine mount to this one. Did we do the top of the engine mount yet? Did you tighten that one?
No,
okay. So this is all hand tight. But as you can tell, it's real dark because we don't have that light. So just using phones as lights. Also, I have to do this. Forgot about that. But this shouldn't even be leaking anymore. This is way in there. Yeah, that's not leaking. So let's put the belt on also. Okay. Yeah, I gotta put the belt on still. There's a little bit of gange in the alternator. This is all. It's mad dirt in here, Jesus. is all full of fluid. I don't even know what this is for. I don't know why I put one bolt in here. The other one just rattled out. This has to get put up with a bracket or something. Or is that rubber? No, it looks like a bracket.
What size is the motor house?
17. Yeah, just tighten this one up, and then we still have to put this one in. This looks good though. This is your pump, I think. All right, guys. Right now, I am plugging in things. I might have to change this clip because the M56 manifold, but I'm not too sure because I can't find much information about it that's on facelifts. I can only find information on it of pre-facelifts. So all this is plugged in. What else? That's everything, right? Over here. This is, so there's gonna be like a little barrier thing over here. This is braided. So I have to do this for the clutch. Yeah, other than that, it's not much left. Well, much left, but whole front end's off. Knocking things out little by little. So I still have a little bit of things to do. Like, yeah, like this is gonna go to this is the coolant. I gotta connect the heater core lines, and then all this stuff is going to get zip tied somewhere. Yeah, so this will get zip tied somewhere also. Probably adjust that later on.